it's not too surprising that the current high has stopped just short of 900, around the next closest grouping of extension levels, under conditions where more buyers come in and keep volume at or above 2 million. 900 could be crossed relatively quickly to form an upward overextension, meaning a bearish retracement becomes more likely if price can't keep trading over 900 into the second week of March. After today's gap up into the 800s, the market is relatively undecided in the short term. If there are fewer than 2 closes over 900 this week, price could remain relatively flat within the mid to upper 800s. Though it would be preferable for the chart to stabilize by filling in the gap and correcting down to around 800, heading towards mid-March, to also contact the highest fan line, resulting in a better position and incline to clear over 900 decisively, to make solid contact with the low 1000s near the next close grouping of extension levels more realistic heading towards April.